How to delete a student or class from your account. When you're logged into Voces, we're going to start by going to the teachers panel and getting our user ID. If you already have your user ID, you can skip this part. If you don't, you'll be able to find it under the teachers panel within settings. Clicking on settings, I'll see my class ID, which is the ID that my students and I use to log in, and the user ID, which will look blank. If you just put your cursor there and double click, you'll be able to find your user ID. Next, we'll open the teachers panel and then class management. In order to, in order to delete a class, we'll simply click on the class name, then click delete. Once we click delete, we'll enter our user ID and then click yes, delete this class. The class will disappear. In order to delete just one student, I'll click the class name, then click Add or View Students. Click on the student's name that you'd like to delete, and once again, just click Delete. Once more, we'll enter our user ID and click Yes, delete this student. Now that student has been deleted. Another option we have this year is to archive your classes. If you click Archive, you'll see that once you archive a class, students can no longer log in, but this does retain their assignment scores, any grades that you have for them. So if you wanted to keep that data, archiving would be another option rather than deleting. One more time, we're going to put in our user ID and archive the class. Now down at the bottom, I can click Show Archived Classes to see which of my classes I've saved, and then I can rename or delete those classes.